If you want to enable, disable or customize camera watermark on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your camera. Now tap on those four dots and tap on your gear icon. Now you gotta locate your watermark. Now to activate it, tap on the switch. When it says on, it means it's on. Quite obvious. So here is our preview window. This is how our watermark will look like. So you can adjust the text, right? I'll just write hello, press save. Now you may set up a date, time if you want to, choose a font, choose the alignment, right? And you can put it to the top or to the bottom. I will leave it at the bottom. So that's it. Now if you're gonna go back and take any picture, let's see it. We'll see that our watermark is added. If you want to turn our watermark off, once again open up your settings, your camera settings of course, and tap on the switch near the watermark to turn it off. And now if we're gonna take any picture, watermark is not present here, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.